Wait, they're just ready to get prepared. They're about to run down the hill. All the kids. Naomi don't have on shoes. Ready and go! Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. I told her to get. See, she's taking off her shoes. Look at her. Taking off her shoes. That was funny. See, look, she took off her shoes. You have to take off your shoes. Don't go up there. Wow.
I'm not playing no more.
She took off her shoes.
Take off the shoes.
Don't get those socks dirty, Tansy.
They don't want to play.
Look. Take off your shoes.
I'm not playing. He's not playing.
Why?
Video.
No.